film you're about to see is a result of the development by TRW in the late 60s and early 70s of the Tround open chamber system as applied to an ultra-high rate firing weapon called Hivap, H-I-V-A-P, which is the acronym for High Velocity All-Purpose Weapon. Following this, you will see several shots in slow motion. The first portion is slow motion. The second portion is very, very reduced slow motion, whereby the 200 shot bursts are fired in 4/10 of a second. During this slow motion sequence, you can look right into the side of the weapon and see the rounds being ejected that were fed on the opposite side. Likewise, the feed that occurs on the side that you're looking into will be ejected on the opposite side. The interesting point to observe is that as the open chamber system in the cylinder comes around and ejects the round after firing a 200 round burst, it is barely warm to the touch due to the fact that the heat was insulated by the plastic round during firing. This sequence shows looking into the front of the weapon as it is fired, and it shows the firing of each barrel, top and bottom, again in slow motion. With 8 barrels, the fact that we have 2 feeds means that each barrel fires twice in 360-degree rotation, giving the weapon the capability of 16 shots for each revolution. The final sequence shows the destruction of a concrete wall by the firing of a few shots at this ultra-high rate of fire. Now that you have seen the firing in slow motion and ultra slow motion, you will hear a sound tape of the actual firing of the 200 round burst in 4/10 of a second. First you will hear the countdown, then the actual burst.